just a rainy day in Dumageddon. Not much to do, so we're just staying at home. But look what's going on behind me. Yes, the master chef is at it again, cooking up some dream dishes.
His favorite pancit.
It's a secret family recipe that we're going to try out. Oh boy, does that look good. Let me take a look at that. Oh yeah. So we're going to take a lunch break since it's raining outside still. The kitty cats are out here. They're sleeping. It's raining out there. We got two kitty cats over here sleeping. Look at this. Oh, aren't they cute? They're cute. This one looks like he's dead. Yeah. So that's what we do here on a rainy day. We eat.
Stay home.
We eat.
You're not going somewhere. I love cooking.
Oh my God.
This is Filipino food.
Filipino food.
Yeah. Asian food.
Asian food.
Yeah. It's in Japanese.
Japanese, Asian,
Yes.
Filipino, everything.
Chow mein. Like
All mixed up.
yes.
All right, let's try it.
Okay. What's your for drinks, guys?
Oh, we'll figure out something. Oh my God, that looks so good. All right, let's try it. How was it? How was it?
Perfect.
Good?
Yummy. Hot.
Wow, iron stuff. That was good. Very good. Very good. How'd you like it? Did you like it?
Yeah, of course. I make, so I like it.
I think she liked it. Nothing left in the dish.
Yeah, I like to learn more something else than dishes.
Good, very good. Keep up the good work. Very good.
Yeah.
Okay.